Hi, I'm Anthony Endy. I'm the executive chef here at the LSL Guest Ranch Resort in the beautiful San Ynez Valley. Today we're lakeside cooking on my big green egg. We're going to be making a surprisingly simple yet impressive smoked beef ribs. They're started with a simple 5-ingredient mustard marinade and finished with a honey beer glaze. Simply delicious. Let's begin. First, we're going to begin with this beautiful cut of beef. Certified Angus beef, block cut beef short rib, 3 bone-in roast. Let's make the marinade for it. We're going to start with Worcestershire sauce in our mustard marinade, 1 part apple cider vinegar, 2 parts yellow mustard, 1 part whole grain mustard for some texture, and a little bit of water as well in the marinade, just to thin it out. You want it a little loose to cover the beef. It's going to flavor the beef as well as work as a glue for the seasoning. Generously cover every side from the top to the sides. Get that all in there. Use your favorite seasoning blend. Mine happens to be ancho chili powder, black pepper, lemon pepper, garlic, kosher salt, and cayenne. Now we're going to take our seasoning and get this nicely covered on all edges where you put the marinade. Be generous with your seasoning all over. Cover that marinade. Next, we're going to place these beef ribs into our big green egg at 250 degrees where they'll smoke for approximately 5 hours. I've rotated the egg so you can see this. Place it right in the center and place the beef ribs bone side down, meat side up. You'll notice convector underneath it. You don't want any direct heat hitting the beef. Slow and low is what we're looking for here. We're going to close that up and let that smoke for 5 hours. It's been 5 hours. Let's check on those beef ribs. Oh my goodness, look at those. See how the beef creeps up on the bone right there? It's falling off, nice and tender. Next, we're going to build our honey beer glaze. Very simple recipe. We're going to get our cast iron right here on the grill. Just a little bit of honey in there. Get that nice and hot. I have brown sugar. Sounds sweet right now, doesn't it? A little bit. We're going to use that for caramelization when we finish this cooking. But we're going to add some umami. This is going to be bouillon paste, beef. Nothing goes better with all that. Nothing goes better with anything really than a local beer. Mix that together and melt the sugar down. Just till it incorporates, take that and glaze it all across the beef. So we got the sweetness from the honey and the brown sugar, the toasted notes from the beer, the umami beef flavor from the bouillon. It's going to create a nice crust on these beef ribs as they are already tender. So we're going to wrap this up with foil. Put those right back in the center here. 1 more hour and we're ready. It's been another hour and our beef ribs are ready. Let's check them out. Ooh, they smell really good. Take this foil off. Oh wow, look at that. See the steam coming off them? They're falling off the bone. Ooh. How easy was that? I'm cutting them right in between the bones. We're gonna have nice big beef ribs. Look how impressive that is. Smoke ring and all, right off the big green egg. This one, the bone didn't even come with it, it fell off. It's that tender. Oh my goodness. You're gonna experience smoke, sweetness from that glaze. You got that umami from the bouillon. You got the mustard marinade. All these flavors built into these beef ribs. All from cooking slow on my big green egg.